BabyTales.
Hello, future artists! Welcome back to our creative space. Today, we have an extraordinary adventure planned as we draw and color the iconic Doraemon. Let's kick things off by sketching Doraemon's unmistakable round head. Draw a large circle in the center of your paper. This will be the canvas for our friendly robotic feline friend. Extend two small, rounded ears on either side of the head. Now, let's bring Doraemon to life by adding his big, expressive eyes, a cute little nose, and his signature smiling mouth. Capturing his playful personality is key. Time to sketch Doraemon's tubby body. Draw an oval shape beneath his head, giving him that huggable and cuddly appearance. Remember, Doraemon is all about spreading joy. Doraemon wouldn't be complete without his magical collar and bell. Draw a small collar around his neck and add a bell right in the center. This is where the magic happens. And now, the most exciting part, coloring. Dive into your favorite shades to bring Doraemon to life. The bright blue fur, the golden bell, and those expressive eyes. Let your imagination soar. And there you have it, a whimsical Doraemon ready to be your artistic companion. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself and having fun. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun art, tutorials and creative adventures. Until next time, may your days be as adventurous and magical as Doraemon's.